In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hostinger Support 2026 Easy Guide. Let's make this quick and simple so you can get help fast. We'll use Hostinger's built-in Ask AI Assistant, which is designed to understand your issue and point you to the right solution or resource in seconds. To start, open your web browser and go to Hostinger's official website. You can type the address directly into the address bar and hit enter. Any modern browser will work. If you prefer using a regional version of the site, that's fine too. The layout is similar and the support tools are in the same place. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the help features appear. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Ask AI option. It's usually displayed prominently so you can reach support right away. If your window is small, try maximizing the browser or zooming out slightly so the top navigation is visible. Click the Ask AI entry point to open the help panel. Now, you'll see a text box where you can describe what you need. Type your issue clearly, as if you were explaining it to a colleague. The more specific your message, the better the assistance you'll receive. Include what you're working on, like WordPress, email, or VPS, what's happening, such as an error code or an unexpected behavior, and anything you've already tried. For example, you might write, "My WordPress site shows a 500 error after a plugin update. I cleared the cache and disabled the plugin, but the error persists." Avoid sharing private details like passwords, full payment information, or personal identification. Technical clues are helpful. Sensitive data is not. When you're ready, press enter to send your message. The assistant will process your request and respond with targeted guidance. This could include step-by-step fixes, links to relevant knowledge base articles, or suggestions tailored to your hosting plan. If the issue is more complex, keep the conversation going in the same chat by clarifying symptoms or pasting exact error messages. You can also refine your query. Short, focused follow-ups often get faster results than starting over. That's it. You've contacted Hostinger Support using the Ask AI tool. As a final tip, consider copying any useful instructions or saving links for later reference, especially if you'll make changes to your site. Clear questions in, clear answers out. This approach will speed up resolutions and get your project back on track. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.